Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, I need to go to the grocery. I don't have oil, I don't have egg. Yeah, I have nothing to eat here. Yeah, this morning I had the coffee. I actually don't have coffee anymore. Look at this, it's empty. The coffee that I used this morning is this one. The one that is coming from my backpacking tour. You know, when I went to Gold Coast using my bike. Yeah. I don't even have emergency food here. These are empty, need to throw. And I don't like this. Yeah, no food. So yeah, that is why I'm giving a 1.5 hour allowance for me to be able to get to the grocery, and then my duty is after 1.5 hours. But I'm still waiting for this video to be uploaded. 2 minutes more and we'll see you outside. I'm now actually really hungry. I just ate the cookies when I left the house. Yeah, 2 pieces. I needed to go to the grocery this time because I was really lazy this morning and I was editing the video. Yeah, if I don't go to the grocery this time, I will have no food tonight and tomorrow. You know, I'm not satisfied with the lack of my bike. It's too big. Look at that. It is now 12:58. It took me around less than 30 minutes to have this cappuccino and this ham and cheese croissant. Yo, I am now here and it's still early, like 1:12. My duty is 2 o'clock. And yeah, I'm looking for a place to eat this croissant. We're going to sit because you know there is a chair there. Yeah, we're going to leave this bike here. I don't know, the person who put this chair here is really nice. He maybe is coming here every time and sit here like relaxing. Whoa. It is really nice in here, very relaxed. Look at that. You're just watching the beautiful view of this place. Yeah, sometimes there are some people walking. Yeah, this is really good. I don't know who put this chair in here, and I don't know what time they are usually coming in this place. It is now 1:24. Yeah, look at that. There are 2 swan, black swan. 1, 2, and there are actually many more on that side. Yeah. And this dog. The owner is there. You know, this place, you know, this way, it's actually doesn't exist before. And slowly it's becoming a way like this, and it's nice in here. If I own this land, I am going to build something like a small house in here. Good morning. It's a good place to relax. Yeah. So that's it. We're going to work now. That was really a relaxing moment, a good moment. Yeah, nice. Maybe tomorrow I'm going to sit there again. Yeah, a lot of people are really relaxing these days. this time. Good morning, good. A lot of bikers this time. Whoa, why it feels flat? Feels flat. These are garbage. Oh, I forgot to throw. I saw a garbage bin. Yo, yo, yo. Good morning, guys. Yeah, we're going to work now. The weather is not really the best one, but still a good morning. Yeah, you know, when I wake up this morning, it was raining, and then there is a sun, then there is a rain again. Yeah, and this is how it is now. There is a sun. Oh, where is that? I forgot. Yeah, from there, I forgot. Yeah, if you remember yesterday, I sit to one of the space there before. Nice. I can't do that today because it was raining. I actually give just 30 minutes allowance to get to work today. Yesterday, I give 1.5 hour allowance. I am not aware that my socks is actually showing when I'm pedaling. Color red. Yo, good morning, guys. I'm editing a video. Yeah, today is my last day at work, and will be day off tomorrow. These are some of the clothes that I'm going to wash. I am supposed to wash this today, but I wake up late, already 8 o'clock when I wake up, and it's now 10 o'clock. Also, it is raining outside, so yeah, I can't do my laundry today. Tomorrow when I up, I have rice here, cook, and they have here 3 pieces banana. I planned to make a banana bread, but I was eating it. Yeah, messy, no problem. Oh, last night I got this package. Yeah, this is coming from the Filipino, no, not Filipino, but Asian store. I don't know which location, but I bought it online. Okay, let's open this. So this Nor Tamarind soup base is $1.10 per piece. It's 5 pieces, so it's $6.60. And then this one is $3.80. Yeah, this is 340 grams. And this Filipino style tomato sauce, this is $1.60. And this Lawrence Patis, this one is $3.90. It's 1000 ml. And this Dato Puti white vinegar, 750 ml, $4.10. And then the shipping is $12.14. Yeah, with a total of $32.14 EUD. This is coming from my Asian grocer. Yo, good morning, guys. At the moment I'm here in one of this is Chinese restaurant, and I'm having this fried rice, spring roll. Yeah, and then later on we'll be roaming around the area. I just finished that is like my breakfast and lunch, because when I wake up in the morning, I just had a cappuccino and bread. You know, this salon, this is like a coffee shop. It looks good outside. Yeah, it's like yeah, whenever I'm passing, I was looking, it looks like a coffee shop. Nice. And we are here in Salamander Bay Shopping Center. Yeah, we're going to leave the bike there, and then yeah, we're just going to walk around. We are here in Kmart. As you know, that I am looking for, a mug for my bike, because the one that I have is already broken and I cannot use it anymore. So yeah, I am looking for something like this, but I don't like this because this is a plastic all over. I mean, even inside is plastic, but it's cheap. It's just $1.50. Same like this. I'm considering this one, but it looks too big. I'm actually going to take one of these Yeah. This one already, this is $5. Yeah, some other are $10, $12. I think this is okay for me, $5. Because you know, I have two shirts that is already broken. Yeah, two of them. The one that you always see in the video, the two of them are already broken. And yeah, we are going home now. I just walk around inside the shopping mall, and now, yeah, I'm now going home. It was 4:28 when I checked the time, and according to the weather, there is a rain at 5 o'clock. Yeah, 50% chance of rain, 5 o'clock. I don't want to be trapped in the rain, that's why we are going this way. There is actually already a sprinkler of water.